Hello fellow aviators, welcome back to Aliong'o Aerosphere, and let's talk aviation. Imagine you own two vehicles. One is your family car that you drive to work every single day, and the other one is a long-haul transport truck that carries heavy loads across the country day and night. Now, would you maintain both vehicles exactly the same way? Probably not, right? Now, your family car might need an oil change every few months, an annual inspection, while the transport truck follows a much stricter maintenance schedule based on mileage, operating hours, and the stress it's exposed to. Now, aircrafts are no different. A small Cessna and a Boeing 737 may both fly through the same sky, but they perform completely different missions. That's why they follow very different maintenance programs. Now, let's break it down in just 3 minutes. And we'll start with General Aviation. Now, these are the aircraft most people associate with flying clubs, private owners, flight schools, business aviation, agriculture, and air ambulance. Now, examples include Cessna 172, Piper PA-28, Beechcraft Bonanza, Robinson, the R-44 helicopter. Unlike commercial airliners, these aircraft, they basically do not undergo the A, B, C, or D checks. Instead, General Aviation airplanes are maintained according to inspections required by aviation authorities such as FAA, that's the US Aviation Authority, Transport Canada in Canada, EASA in Europe, Kenya Civil Aviation Authority, that's in Kenya, or your country's Civil Aviation Authority, right? Now, the most common inspections that we see on general aviations are the 100-hour inspection. If an aircraft is used for flight instruction or is operated for hire, it generally requires an inspection every single 100 hours of flight time. Secondly, there's an annual inspection. Now, every privately operated aircraft must receive the thorough inspection once every 12 calendar months to ensure it's still airworthy. So even if you fly only 10 hours in 1 year, you'll still require to take your plane for a 12-month inspection. Some operators, especially flight schools, will use a progressive inspection program where the annual inspection is divided into smaller inspections spread throughout the year, reducing downtime. Now, on top of that, manufacturers specify maintenance based on flight hours, calendar time, engine cycles, service bulletins, and mandatory airworthiness directives. Now, let's look at aircraft most of us travel on. The likes of Boeing 737, Airbus A320, Boeing 787, Airbus A350. You see, these aircrafts fly several times every day and accumulate thousands of flight hours every year. Now, because of their size, complexity, and utilization, airlines follow approved maintenance programs built around scheduled maintenance checks. A check is the lightest scheduled maintenance visit. It typically occurs every few hundred hours or every 1 to 3 months. Technicians inspect systems, perform operational tests, service fluids, and ensure the aircraft is ready to continue flying safely. Secondly, there is a B check. Historically, airlines performed B checks between A and C checks, but today most airlines have incorporated B check tasks into their A check programs, making standalone B checks they're much less common today. Now, number 3, there is a C check. So C check is a much more comprehensive inspection performed approximately every 18 to 24 months. So every single 2 years, you'll see a C check. Now, the aircraft is taken out of service for several days or even weeks. Now, technicians will inspect the structure, flight controls, hydraulics, electrical systems, landing gear, avionics, and many interior components. Finally, we'll see a D check. The D check, often called a heavy maintenance visit, is the most extensive maintenance event an aircraft undergoes. Now, it's performed every single 6 to 12 years. Depending on the maintenance program, the aircraft is almost completely disassembled. Everything from the cabin interior to structural components is inspected, repaired, replaced, and refurbished before the aircraft returns to service. So, just like a family car and a long-haul transport truck require different maintenance schedules because they perform different jobs, well, the same principle applies here in aviation. A Cessna and the Boeing 737 aren't maintained differently because one is better than the other. No, they're maintained differently because they are designed, operated, and regulated differently. Different aircraft, different missions, different maintenance programs, but they all share one goal: ensuring every flight is as safe as possible. If you have any question, just don't forget to drop it down in the comment section. Like, subscribe to the channel. If you have a specific topic you'd like us to talk about, leave it in the comment section. It's always a pleasure having you over. We'll say kwaheri kwa leo. We'll see you in the next one, and bye-bye.